I get it. Between work, family, and everything else, finding time for yourself feels impossible. But here's the thing, health doesn't demand perfection, it demands consistency. And consistency doesn't have to be complicated. The belief that you need hours in the gym or time-consuming meal prep to see results is a myth. Small strategic actions add up and can fit into the busiest of schedules. Start with just one small intentional habit. Plan a week of balanced, easy to prepare meals in advance. It may take 10 minutes, but it'll save you hours of stress later in the week. Watch the free webinar, 3 Ways to Meal Plan to Achieve Your Fitness Goals. This webinar is a simple demonstration to help you get organized, take control of your time, and prioritize your health without the overwhelm. Now, imagine what's possible for you if you had a plan tailored to you, expert guidance to keep you on track, and tools to help you save time and energy. That's exactly what the VIP one-to-one nutrition program and the Empower Her program are all about. Are you ready to take the next step? Let's chat. If you like this video, then hit like and make sure to sign up for the free newsletter where you'll find more resources just like this.